My girlfriend loves when I make eggs and sausage like that. Here I'm using a piece of mozzarella and I will cut into cubes. I'm going to use only these 2 pieces and divide them into 4 parts. Once that's done, now just cut the sausage into 4 parts as well. Now start putting on a toothpick. First place the mozzarella, then the sausage. Here I'm using the barbecue sticks. Once that's done, your skewer is ready. Now set aside next door. In a container, add 2 eggs, salt to taste, and mix everything very well. Grease a frying pan with butter. Add half the beaten eggs. And on top add the sausage skewer with cheese. As soon as the egg is well fried, just start rolling. Keep squeezing so that the mozzarella starts melting inside. As soon as you're brown from outside, just remove and you're ready for the skewer of sausage, cheese and eggs. This recipe looks amazing. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.